Hi folks, this is Greg at Best Choice Trailers. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around a Trac 7x20 9,900 pound commercial utility landscape trailer. We sell a lot of these to commercial landscapers, however they are quite common in other uses such as residential homeowners with compact tractors. Different users find these handy, even sometimes a pair of UTVs or even four-wheelers. This unit here is going to weigh in at about 2,500 pounds. It's going to give you a net legal payload of about 7,500 plus tongue weight. Let's take you for a walk around this trailer, show you some of the features. Up front, it's going to be a 2 5/16 stamped coupler. It's got a 7K drop leg jack. If you're not familiar with a drop leg jack, these are nice because you can simply pull that pin and you've got an adjuster leg, but then also the outer sleeve of the jack's adjustable via the top on handle. This has enough extension to it that you're never going to need to carry around a wooden block or a jack or any of the various tools that we've all used to get our ball in a coupler. Grease zerk's standard on these for serviceability. Wrapped around the jack would be the 7-pin whip. This is a 7-pin blade style plug, same as what's on pretty much all trucks nowadays. Now standard, they put an integrated plug holder for it, neat little add. Also standard is, of course, safety chains required. They are a little bit heavier grade safety chain than we typically see. And one thing that makes it nice, they put a chain holder for them, keeps them up out of the dirt. They've got a wet cell battery, of course, for your breakaway battery for the trailer. The wiring, they do a sealed harness, and then they run it in conduit going back the frame. This is something that don't generally see in a utility trailer. On the 10Ks, they go with a 2x3 tube top rail. So not only is it tube, but it's a little heavier. Typically, if you see tube or pipe, you're going to see a 2-inch, not a 3. Take the time to miter the corner. Give you some of the different examples of the solid craftsmanship we see on these units. Stake pockets for tie downs. They've also got the new bullet LED lights, and there you see they are powder coated trailers. Pretty impressed with the weld quality and consistency of Trac. Just zoom in on one of the beads of weld. They do a pretty solid job. We don't tend to see burnt welds and whatnot on their product. Spare tire mount is standard on these units. Now on a utility landscape, normally a 7K you're going to get a 4-inch tongue. Sometimes on a 10K, some manufacturers will still stick to a 4-inch. On these, they upgrade to a 5-inch tongue. Notice it is a full wrap. It goes all the way back to the spring hangers. It doesn't stop up front. And then the main frame on this is a 3x5 angle. So again, 3x5 on the frame. Now, like most utilities, we define anything that's a utility generally as something that's got the ramp gate at the back, and then traditionally an angle iron frame with the floor at the bottom of the angle frame. Generally, your trailer is going to load a little lower than would, say, a car trailer. Generally speaking, too, on a utility, your cross members are going to be under your main frame. Okay, moving back, they use a little bit heavier fender than some. Traditionally in a utility, you're going to see a smooth radius fender. This is more a fender you'd see in equipment. It's a double broke tread plate, so tread plate being a little heavier. And then the double broke referring to two bends going to give it extra strength. Also additional strength on the gusset, which some call side step. We don't refer to it as a side step just out of liability reasons, but again, some feet it does fit, and it does protect the front side of that fender. Also gives you a nice spot to mount the light. Trac takes the time to silicone shut some of the gaps on the trailer that would generally be rust areas. Nice little add-on touch that they do. Radial tires are standard. We have brakes on both axles, and then these have the newer Easy Loop hubs. You simply pull the black cap off. There's a grease zerk behind there. Most homeowners with basic hand tools can service the bearings with the Easy Loop hubs. Moving back, they also put a reinforcement on the back side of the fender, and again, mount the light back there. Probably one of the single biggest things that I really like about Trac's trailers is the back end of the trailer. They used to use a piece of form back here. Most in the industry are going to use angle or formed on the tail. Of course, that area is only going to be as strong, the gate is only going to be as strong as what it pushes off of because it needs to be supported. They use tube here. Generally, if you look around the industry, I think you can find that there's a lot of angle. They also do a few other things different. Of course, the bullet lights, they integrate the lights here instead of having a separate light bracket. You also notice they've got a center reinforcement, so your gate's not only supported at the outside, but it's supported 3 different places. That's important because most any utility trailer you're going to find in the market, the gate can't support the payload of the trailer. For instance, this trailer's payload is about 7,500 plus tongue weight. Very few gates in the industry are going to handle that amount of weight going up a gate. This one here, they do a few nice ads on the 10K. All their gates are made out of 2x2 tube. This one's also got the ladder reinforcements. Again, it's got the center reinforcement here. Some of the other features at the back I was saying about, they use a real nice fab part back here that does a few things, but one, it allows them the nicest gate setup, pin setup I've seen on a trailer. It sounds kind of silly to get too excited about a gate pin, but if you use it all the time like a landscaper, that's a big deal. We replace a lot of those, weld a lot on, fix them up. Also, this gate's toolless for removal. You'd simply pull a pin, slide that out, let the gate fold flat down inside the trailer, and then you'd need to lift it about 3 inches there. As you see there as well, the trailer is spring assisted. Very nice setup to have. The only option that we've got on this trailer would be the 5-foot gate extension. Standard would be a 4-foot gate. We do some of these with 5 foot because if you're a commercial landscaper, that could often mean the difference between dragging the bottom of the deck, where the transition between the gate and the floor would be, versus having a seamless entry onto the trailer. So again, this does have a 5-foot gate upgrade. Okay, one last feature at the back that we like. They do a rearboard retainer that with about 8 or 9 deck screws coming out, you can fully replace this deck with very little trouble. Now, granted, we generally find most treated pine decks are good for generally between 12 to 18 years is what we experience. They sure make it easy if you ever need to replace the deck or if you got a single board or whatnot. Let me show you this gate real quick. I'll show you the pin setup over here. Basically, these pins are designed to rotate 180 degrees. They're a weighted pin, so in the event a customer would get the pin through but not put it down, it's gonna bounce its way down as soon as you go a short distance down the road. This gate does fold flat inside the trailer, and then of course there's your pin. You just need to pull it out. Very difficult to do with one hand. So this gate's kind of neat in that it's pretty well balanced. It'll pretty well bounce itself up. This is a very heavy gate, but even with one slip, pick it up a little bit because of the spring assist. There's the angle on the 5-foot gate. Fairly low angle for this GVW trailer. This does come in different sizes, but again, I said the 18 and 20 would be by far and away the most common. They are the ones that we tend to stock. My name's Greg at Best Choice Trailers. If we can answer any questions on this, feel free to give us a ring at www.bestchoicetrailers.com or reach us on the phone at 717-220-4220.